Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can resize the canvas in Inkscape. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Basically the first thing that you want to do is to click on the file option, which is going to be at the top corner of your screen. In here you then want to select document properties. As a shortcut you can also press Shift Control D. And simply inside, we then have our front page, so you could make the adjustments that you want to. So let's say for the width, let's put something like 300. And for the height, let's just do the same thing, which makes this a square. And so if we apply the changes onto our document, it will then go ahead and simply look something like this. It's now become a square, not a document right, or the document size. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.